of such sightings of physical crafts of unknown origin have been reported throughout the world for decades by credible witnesses, yet most who report such sightings are treated with ridicule, disbelief, scorn, and even threats. In light of the facts, we who have witnessed such unexplained crafts no longer accept this cynical mindset as realistic or credible. Those of us who are witnesses to the UFO phenomenon know they exist for a fact. This is not an issue of speculation for such witnesses. However, we do not insist that non-witnesses must believe such objects exist, only that witnesses be treated with respect and that we deserve the same fairness and courtesy afforded to any individual or group who honestly expresses their point of view without fear of ridicule, punishment, or persecution. Recent polls clearly demonstrate that more than 50% of Americans believe that UFOs are a real phenomenon that deserves legitimate recognition and serious study by open-minded, qualified scientists, rather than being summarily dismissed as misperceptions, fantasies, hoaxes, or hallucinations by cynical, unqualified debunkers. Over 36 million Americans have seen a UFO. To put this statistic in political terms, these witnesses are also voters. Therefore, we urge all who agree with the spirit of this declaration to send copies of this letter to their representatives, public officials, the media, the police, and the military, airline officials, NASA, and all candidates running for any public office to assure them that our votes will go only to those who acknowledge the UFO phenomenon as real and deserving of serious scientific investigation, and who publicly endorse fairness and respect towards any witness who reports a UFO.
Thank you, Nania. Now, with this declaration, we put our first finger in your political arena. Listen carefully to all who are listening to this today. Post, send, spread this declaration in its exact form wherever you wish. It has been designed with a specific frequency, a specific vibration. Do not alter it. Do not paraphrase it. Do not add to it. Do not subtract from it. Send it as is, intact. It has a particular frequency that will aid and assist in the acceleration of this energy, of this awareness, of this awakening, of this state of being in all those who are, at the very least, willing to be open to this information, willing to be open to this energy, willing to be open to the reality of contact between your civilization, our civilization, and other civilizations who are already observing, already present, and despite what many individuals on your planet may believe, may think, or may assume is possible or not possible, we exist. We know you exist. Traveling to your world is not so difficult as many of your scientists may think. They will soon come to understand how this is accomplished. We have described in many cases how this is accomplished. Even though you are, unto yourself a beautiful oasis in the sea of stars that is your galaxy, you are not as isolated as you may think. For there are other energy streams, other levels of awareness, other dimensions of consciousness that easily become aware of you, that can easily reach you, just as you, in a variety of states of being, can reach out to others and have. And it is your invitation that you have sent out now in your awakening age of awareness that we have responded to. Your invitation that has brought to you the divergent societies that now have and have taken up with you interest in your evolution, interest in your awakening, interest in your expansion. For your expansion benefits all. You are not isolated.